Our business administration degree exposes students to enough of all of the core business competencies that they really learn what their passion can be and what they can be good at, and it gives them the ability to find their pathway.
We have all these opportunities for students to grab. The nice thing here is that we can lead you to the opportunities that best interest you and that will best suit your career needs and help develop you for future jobs.
We have different emphasis areas where students can find finance or marketing or accounting or entrepreneurship and get the broad base of a business administration degree, but then also really focus in on an emphasis area that complements that degree.
The offerings here are really vast. The schedule fits the working professional. You can earn that degree completely on campus. There are evening classes and it works out well, but you can also take a course completely online. We work at your schedule.
The faculty of the Plaster College of Business and Entrepreneurship are really what makes our college so special. They are all highly academically credentialed. From research to the professional development that they do yearly, most of them have been in industry in the classes that they're teaching. So they bring not case studies that come from a textbook, but case studies that come from real life. The other thing that does with that corporate experience is give our students such a great networking opportunity.
St. Louis is a hub for the finance industry. You'll find that the big four accounting firms come here for our career fairs, and there are students that go big time.
You see employers that keep coming back over and over again to recruit our business administration majors, and it's because they know that those students have the core business competencies in our classes, but then also have the upper level electives that gives them some more specific background. Our students who have gone on from an undergraduate degree to that MBA program, without a doubt, they have seen an increase in the job opportunities as they finish. And our working individuals, corporate America has said, wow, the student is so much more prepared as they go out into maybe seeking a promotion or another job opportunity. We are extremely proud of Harmon Hall and the Plaster College of Business and Entrepreneurship. We're a family, and we would love for you to be a part of our family.